Today, Sarah's teacher introduced her to MS Paint. Sarah wants to make a drawing in MS Paint. But she has to keep asking her mother about all the icons. So, let us explain Sarah all the MS Paint screen window components so that she can enjoy making a drawing in MS Paint. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Headstart Learning. This is the MS Paint application on Windows 11. Microsoft Paint has been modified in the Windows 11 release. It now comes with a simplified toolbar with updated icon designs, a rounded color palette, improved font picker, etc. At the top of the Paint screen window, there is the title bar. The title bar is a bar located at the top of the screen window that displays the name of the program being used. On the right side of the title bar, there is a minimize, maximize, and close button. On the left side of the title bar, there is a MS Paint icon. Next to the MS Paint icon is written Untitled Paint, as we have not given any name to our drawing yet. The title of the drawing has no name. Therefore, it is untitled.
Interesting! This means once we save our drawing, the name Untitled will be replaced by the name we assign to the drawing.
Yes, you are right. Below the title bar, we have File tab, View tab, and Quick Access toolbar. On the right corner here is a feedback button. Let us now understand the functions of the File tab. File tab is used to create or open a file, save your changes, print documents, and other file-related options. The View tab has tools that are used to change the viewing size of the pictures in the drawing area. The Quick Access toolbar has Save, Undo, Redo commands. Below the tabs, we have Paint ribbon. The Paint ribbon contains lots of tools that help us to draw and color. As you can see, there are different groups in the ribbon, namely Clipboard group, Images group, Tools group, Brushes group, Shapes group, the Size group, Colors group. Below the ribbon, there is a white canvas on the screen. This canvas is also known as the drawing area.
Okay, this drawing area works as a piece of paper to draw or write on. Can we increase or decrease the size of the canvas?
Yes, we can adjust the size of the canvas before starting the drawings. We will learn how to do this in the further sessions. Right at the bottom of the Paint window is the status bar. On the status bar, you can view image details in the following order: cursor position, selection size, image size. On the right side of the status bar, we have zoom in and zoom out options. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Headstart Learning.